Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of it. You see guys, it fall off. So I will show you guys how you can glue it back in, okay? Glue this back in there. Okay? Okay. So put that like that, like so. Put it in. You guys want to know this? Show you how you put it in. Show you. So guys, if you can put the door handle back on, you want to make sure, see? Oh, am I too close? Okay. You guys can't see, huh? Okay. See guys, this is how you put it in close up. If I could get a good angle. Can't get a good angle of the door. You see guys how you put it in, huh? You see? If it fall off and you can't wonder how you put it back on. Put it back on like this. Okay, you see it back on, right? Now what I need to do is, see guys, it's back on. Now I will glue it back in. So I'm gonna put the camera back down. Get the camera set up. Okay, don't fall. I'll take my nail. Okay guys, I will take my nail. My nail. See, this little tiny nail. I'll put it in the holes right here. Sorry about that if it sounds appropriate or sound weird for some people. But I put that nail in, spin it, glue it in, make sure you glue it in real tight. Okay, so it don't come out loose. Spin it two times. Okay. Now same for your other nail. Okay. Same for your other little nail. Okay. Put that nail in the second hole. Sorry if it sounds weird or inappropriate to you. I'm just saying. Okay. So put that tiny glue in there. Okay. If you can see me. Put it in here, okay? And then you take your screwdriver and glue it back in a few times. Don't push it in, just spin it in. Okay, spin it 1 and 2 times, spin it 1 and spin it 2 times. Check it, make sure, and did it. So this is how you fix everything else. See? Boom. Put it in there. Boom. So that's how you guys fix the door handle if needed, if it fall off. Thank you for watching part 2 of it. And have a great Randy Talk Community. Peace out.